Hi, my name's Wendy. I'm so excited that you're here with me today because I have a really fun card to show you. I needed to give a gift with a little bit of cash in it, but I didn't want to just give a regular card. So I decided to make a fun fold wallet card, and I wanted to feature the Let It Ride stamp set, which is super cute. Well, it's really not cute. It's beautiful. Even if you're not a big horse lover, it's a great stamp set because lots of people love horses and feel like they're majestic and beautiful, even if they're not necessarily into horses as a hobby. I personally grew up around horses and rode all my growing up life, and I had a really bad accident in 2007. I went off the back of a horse and I broke my back. So that's a little fact about me. Yeah, I broke my back in 2007, my L1 vertebrae, and I ended up with fusion in my spine. And so it's been an interesting ride since then. I haven't ridden since, but I absolutely love horses. I love to look at them, and I think they're beautiful and majestic creatures. And I am surrounded by people who ride and love to ride and who own horses and property. I live in a pretty rural area. So anyway, I needed a card with a horse on it, and I wanted to make it really cute and hold money. So this actually is a tie closure. It ties and makes a little bow over here. But when you open it, you have the money tucked inside, and it looks like kind of like a little wallet. And then on this side is a little piece of paper for you to write your note to your person. So I thought this was really fun and cute, and I want to show you how to make it. So let's go over to my stamp table, and I have a totally different version of this same card, but in different colors with a different theme and everything to show you. So I'm excited to do that. So let's go over to my stamp table and do that now. Okay, so here we are at my stamp table, and we are going to make a fun fold wallet card. That was hard to say. Okay, so I've got pieces of designer series paper here, and this square piece is 3 1/4 by 3 1/4, and then the other piece is cut at 1 3/4 by 3 3/4. This piece is cut at 6 by 11, and I'm scoring it at 2 inches, and then I'm going to turn it and I'm going to square it at 4 inches, and then I need a little arm to come out, and I'm going to square again at 9 inches. This is going to create the bottom of my wallet and the folds. So you really need to use a bone folder when you do this because it really burnishes those edges well and makes this card fold better. The other trick to getting this card to fold together nicely is cutting a little wedge out right here in between the I don't know what you would call this, the pocket piece, I guess. So when it folds up, there's a little bit of a wedge, and when you fold it together, it has a little bit of give. So that is important. And then go over again with your bone folder and burnish those edges with it folded up, with that bottom wallet piece folded up. Okay, if you are watching this video on Wednesday, February 6th, I want to give you a little pre-warning. Okay, I'm cutting these at a diagonal. Beginning tomorrow, Thursday, February 7th, every Thursday is going to be dedicated to sharing something for my demonstrator friends. So it will not always necessarily be a craft, FYI. However, rest assured, this is a change that's coming to my YouTube channel. It is different, and I am hoping that nobody is off-put by it. However, if you are, that's okay, because not everybody has to like everything, right? By the way, this is the detailed trio punch. Love it. I'm corner rounding all of these corners on this little wallet / envelope, and it even cuts through the area that's folded in half. Okay, the measurements, by the way, for this card are all over on my blog. So please do not hesitate to click the link in the description of this video that will take you directly to the blog post that has the tips and instructions listed. That's really important. All of my videos are linked. I shouldn't say all. all of my videos in the last year or so are linked to my blog posts that have tips and instructions. It's just too much to put in the description of the video often, and honestly, the description of the videos are kind of hard to read. Okay, so back to this change. So this is kind of going to be my weekly vlog slash demonstrator share slash business share time, and that will be on Thursdays. And so I'm releasing a new product tomorrow. This product is for demonstrators mainly, and I'm hoping it helps a lot of them the way it has helped me. So again, if you're watching this video after February 6th, 2019, then me saying this is being released tomorrow is not accurate. But if you're watching in sequence of my videos being released, then that information is accurate. Okay, so I've got a piece of ribbon here. This is the gold trimmed, very vanilla ribbon, and I'm going to put some tear and tape adhesive over this flap that closes going towards the right. So it's folding from the left to the right. And then I'm going to add my little sentiment decorative piece. Now, I have been focusing on the Let It Ride stamp set this week, and this is the second project that I've shared. On Monday, I shared a really beautiful card. I just absolutely love how it came together. And so if you want to see that, you can also watch that video. You can just go back on my YouTube channel, and it's actually a Facebook Live replay. It's not a nice edited video like these. It's one of my raw, down and dirty replays. So that is something I release every Monday on my blog and my YouTube channel. I upload my Facebook Live so you can watch it there. Frankly, I don't know why anybody would want to watch the replay of a Facebook Live because they're so long. But hey, you know, I do like watching Facebook Lives, but I like them when they're actually live. However, I really love also sharing the projects that I make on my Facebook Live. So that's why I upload them. And they seem to be popular videos because I get a lot of views on them. Sorry about my dog barking. I may have to yell at him here in a moment. Hold on one second while I yell at my dog. Nothing like your dog barking at 11 o'clock at night when your husband is sleeping. That's when I'm voice-overing this video. You know, sometimes things just have to get done when they can get done. All right, here's the finished card. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy some of my future videos, even though they're going to be different than normal. And you can watch other videos from me here. You can click on a little circle with my face in it to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also shop with me at shop11stampin.com, and all the supplies I used today are listed in the description of the video. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!